Welcome back, fellow traders. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 important steps for trend identification. So, let's dive right in. In step 1, observe price movements. Means, start by observing price movements on your charts. Look for a series of higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, or lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. Similarly, in step 2, you need to identify trend lines. Means, draw a trend lines connecting the swing highs and swing lows. These lines act as visual guides and help you see the overall trend direction. In step 3, confirm with moving averages. Moving average is a smoothing tool, therefore, use moving averages to confirm the trend. When the price is consistently above a rising moving average, it indicates an uptrend. Conversely, if the price stays below a falling moving average, it suggests a downtrend. In step 4, look for chart patterns. Keep an eye out for chart patterns such as triangles, flags, or head and shoulders. These patterns often indicate trend continuation or potential reversals. Here, I would say just look for our today's post of 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐬. We mentioned a chart pattern is building up. And finally, in step 5, consider volume and momentum. You need to carefully analyze volume and momentum indicators. Increasing volume during an uptrend or decreasing volume during a downtrend can validate the strength of the trend. And there you have it, folks. By following these 5 important steps, observing price movements, identifying trend lines, confirming with moving averages, recognizing chart patterns, and considering volume and momentum, you'll be better equipped to identify trends in the market. Remember, trend identification is a key element in successful trading. See you soon in the next video. Until then, join our EK Global community to learn and earn.